Here we go. Take a look at those puts. Boy, oh boy. We're out to sell the other ones. No, it's live. It's there. It's there. It's selling down. Cash it in. Cash it in. You're wholesale, young man. Cash that in at 970. Cash it in. Make them pay ya. Make them pay ya. That young man is out of that trade. All right, MMTs, look at here. Look at there. Look at that yield. Last hour selling. Now, continue on. Live right now, 12:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3/27/2012. And it was all about that last round of ringing that cash register and what a great feeling it was to get over a $3 reversal off of those highs. I'm just kidding. We're having a great time because those are great trades. So bear with us and all. And once again, we're here to conclude that talent, that wholesale bid from 1550 marked down with that high of 1489 and hooking that lower wholesale bid by taking out that risk and then selling into the highs right there, I can tell you, because we did. And, you know, yeah, I had 990 out there, and I changed it. It got to 950s, 970s in the print. Well, so what? I came out at 75 cents. And that's how you make the adjustments. And you sell into the move. And I'm not, and you know, we were waiting for it all day. And, yeah, you had to have a lot of discipline. You did. And I can say that high-frequency computing model machines are not fair to the public because it's not, and that the systems that we put together is to help individuals combat that manipulation. Because you got to remember, we're on your side. Otherwise, you wouldn't be looking at these videos that the MMTs are doing here live right now during the market hours. It's not after the fact. And most importantly, it's not about how much money you make. It's about the fact that you could get that markdown from 1130 and you could get hit down there at 520 and selling back for the dollar profit. Selling back for the dollar profit. The prints right here coming out for the dollar profit. 20 contracts out at 630. That's $2,000. It is. We will not deny that. And that's what everyone should have, the same type of systems that we have that get those wholesale prints where your risk, where you're not being marked down and being manipulated and marking down premiums. We know how to trade the bottom side for that, for those dollar moves up. But you got to know when to sell. No one ever does. Let this be a lesson that you must know when to sell. Let this be a lesson at 12:27 p.m. Pacific Standard Time that if you don't sell, you don't get paid. And people that get greedy in the tape, that's the wrong thing to do. The school does not teach you to do that. It teaches you many, many things, but it teaches you how to ring that cash register and get that wholesale bid, and that's going to be the bottom line. And same thing go over here. Does it mean that Apple's in a downtrend and not a good stock? We're not even talking about that. We're talking about making wholesale bids and entries and exits based on top-end reversals and exhaustions and everything that go in high-frequency models and ECNs and many, many, many things that we would like to bring to your attention because we care about you. And you should get up to speed on how the exchange model has changed its way of doing business versus the way you do business.